Hi everyone, I am going to show you today how to make my delicious lemon nutty bars, which are made with dates, nuts, lemon, delicious. Okay, so let's get started. Put that there. The first thing I'm going to put in here is 3/4 cup of cashews. Then I will add half a cup of almonds and I will start process it. You don't want to do it too much because you want to see left the chunkiness of the nuts. Then you are going to add a cup. Look at these dates. I completely smashed them in here, okay? This is about like 400 grams of dates. It's a cup and a quarter of dates, okay? I totally smashed them in. And I made sure that there was no pits. These are, I buy them already pitted, but sometimes one or two will have a pit in it and you don't want to mess up with that. So this is the other quarter cup. Then I will add a little bit of sea salt. That's flavor. And I will do, I have frozen my lemon, about a tablespoon of lemon. And you really choose how many drops you want to put. I really like the taste, so I will put 10 to 15 drops. You can put less, you can put more. Okay. And I'm going to process it again. Looks good. You want it to get to a consistency that it will kind of stick. But you don't want it to become all one piece, so just check it a little bit more. Let's see, just a tiny bit more. My hands. Tiny bit more. Looks good. So this is going to be pretty easy. I will use some parchment paper and I will press it in a container like this, in a mold like this. Let me move this. I'm just going to empty it. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Pretty easy. Always make sure that you wash your hands. I use my own guard soap to wash it. Wash my hands. And all you want to do is press it. Okay, and you can actually help yourself with the parchment paper. This way you don't end up being all sticky. Nope. You can see. And I actually even help myself even more using a smooth object like this glass to try and make it as even as possible. Side. So it's just about even. And I will be putting it in the freezer, and in about 30 minutes I'll take it out, and then I will open it and I will simply cut it in squares. Oops, sorry. And now it doesn't look so good, but it will look so really good in 30 minutes. And I will just cut it in squares this big, okay? So that's extremely simple. As you can see, it took, what, 6 minutes to make it? And it's a delicious snack. No refined sugar, no gluten, no dairy. Great, for many kind of diets that people are following nowadays. I simply like to have them, to have an healthy snack, something that is not full of refined sugar and other junk. I like to have it. I like to keep it in the freezer because I really like how the consistency that it has. Sometimes I will bring it to the beach. I'll put it in a cooler and I just enjoy it. 1 or 2 pieces, really, that's all you really want. And you are going to be satisfied. Your sweet tooth is going to be satisfied. I love the lemon. You could substitute lemon with the lime juice and lime essential oil. You could make them tangerine or mandarin or orange. Really, you could, just go and invent more. And you could substitute the nuts. If you are allergic to any of the nuts, you could use seeds. Seriously, you can get as creative as you would like. I just wanted to show you how extremely simple and how quickly you can make them and put them in the freezer and, have them ready for whenever you are having a little craving and don't want to eat junk. Okay? I hope this was useful for you, and I'll see you next time.